whole world says, give up, hope whispers, try it one more time. Hope is that thing with feathers that perches at your soul and tells you to never give up, never at all. So, new day, new excitements, new thoughts and new ideas. Let us start the day with some beautiful smiles and good positive thoughts. Even if we are not able to see each other as we always do, let us just spread some happiness around. And this is the second virtual assembly conducted by our school, and this assembly is going to be conducted by the 11th standard students. So lots of new faces among us. To all the new members of the ARR family, a hearty welcome. And I, Akshay Kumar, is going to be the host for the day. So let us now proceed into today's programs. First of all, let us fold our hands and pray to Lord Almighty to relieve us from all our negative thoughts and sorrows. So now I invite Shilpa and Yadu to fill our souls with the eternal peace of prayer.
Prayer. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful, praise be to God, the cherisher and sustainer of the world's most gracious, most merciful, master of the day of judgment, till we worship and thank, aid we seek the way of those on whom those has bestowed thy grace, those whose is not that, and who put in astray.
Asado ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amridam gamaya दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना दया करना हमारे आत्मा में शुद्धता देना हमारे ध्यान में आओ प्रभु आँखों में बस जाओ अंधेरे दिल में आकर के परम ज्योति जगा देना बहा दो ज्ञान की गंगा दिलों में प्रेम का सागर हमें आपस में मिलजुल कर प्रभु रहना सिखा देना हमारा धर्म हो सेवा हमारा कर्म हो सेवा सदा ईमान हो सेवा बसे बस जन बना देना बदन के वास्ते जीना बदन के वास्ते मरना बदन पर जान फिरा करना प्रभु हमको सिखा देना दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना दया करना हमारे आत्मा में शुद्धता देना.
Instill in us that feeling of patriotism that is a necessity in this drastic era. So, I would like to invite Durga Ratan to deliver the pledge and invoke in us that feeling of duty, love and responsibility towards our motherland.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity long lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
So, as I mentioned earlier, starting your day with a bright and positive thought is very essential, especially in this period of constant depressions. So, let us brighten our hearts, minds, and souls with a wise and bright thought from Farhana.
Good morning to all. I am Farhana Shibu of class 11 standing before you to inspire you with a thought. Today's thought for the day is everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself. We spend a lot of time trying to change other people. We know we have to develop in certain ways, but for now our focus is on altering others. We have to make evolutions in our own behavior other than making evolutions in others. Seeing us exhibiting certain virtues has a remarkable ability to inspire others into imitating us. And even if the change is not immediate, we can at least take pride in the integrity of our position, knowing that we have had the strength and dignity already to have started to become the change we want to see in the world. People tend to a remarkable extent to mirror behavior. If someone is aggressive with them, they become aggressive back. If someone is gentle, they become soft in return. If someone acts wisely, it will draw the latent reserves of wisdom out of the audience. So we have to change ourselves before trying to change the world. So I repeat, today's thought for the day is everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself. Thank you and have a nice day.
Did you guys know that back in 1776, on this very same date, the American nation was renamed the United States of America? And also, today is the birthday of the famous Russian writer Leo Tolstoy. But these are all the past. Do you know what the present happenings around the world is? If you don't, then let us just enlighten ourselves by the news provided by our friend Ihan.
Good morning. My name is Han and I'm here with the news. First off, let's have the international news. Chinese military calls US biggest threat to world peace. Huge fire breaks out at Beirut after explosion. Let's have the national news. COVID cases surged by 14.5% in a week. Punjab demands neighbouring states for an increase in oxygen supply. Let's have the state news. COVID cases in Kerala crosses 1 lakh. Huge rains to be expected till Friday. Let's have the sports news. Everton grabs opening win at Toothless Spurs. That's all for today and thank you.
For positiveness, patriotism and knowledge for the day. So we need to have an entertainment quotient, right? So here comes Arabi with a variety dance approach towards the birth of Lord Krishna. Feast your eyes.
कान्हारे नंद नंदन कान्हारे नंद नंदन परम निरंजन हे दुख भंजन कान्हारे नंद नंदन कान्हारे
So with this performance, we have come to an end of the assembly proceedings. Now let's lend our ears to the message delivered by our respectful Vice Principal Lakshmi Karbayandran ma'am. And I am sure this will surely motivate us in these difficult times.
Dear children, once a man was spending his evening in a beach. There was a little girl who was playing around him. He was looking curiously at the girl. She was playing with a beautiful balloon. Suddenly a wind blew and the balloon rose up in the sky. The man thought, now the girl would cry. But her reaction surprised him. The little girl just looked up in the sky. Then she exclaimed, wow! The man thought, sometimes we have to learn how children tackle difficult situations. My dear children, 3/4 of this year, 2020, is almost over. And the situation is not normal. But we have to see the good aspects also. You are learning new things. You have become more of techno savvy. And we are navigating into new territories of learning. You are helping your parents at home. You are shouldering new responsibilities. And you are nurturing good habits. So, please nurture some good hobbies and continue learning. This is not the end of life. I congratulate both the class teachers and all the students who are behind in making this assembly successful. Wish you all the best. Stay safe. Thank you all.
So after that motivating message, our assembly proceedings have come to an end. So with all these efforts to make our day a better one, I am sure we are all going to have a great day moving forward. But even if we don't, at the end it's just a bad day, not a bad life. We can still make it out. So we just need that iron will to do so. So with all this positivity, let's end today's assembly proceedings. I would like to thank all the teachers and the coordinating staff behind this assembly program. Thank you from all of us.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गावे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता